celebration for their 30th birthday here on Guam. Birthday din tawag yun. Anniversary or birthday, same thing. So we are lining up for the food. 3 plates of serious food, Yamon! Ribs and chicken. Real chicken. Yeah. We're gonna have a taste of Jamaica today. Yeah.
I'm so sorry. Can I?
This is the super.
Thank you guys. Chips are over there.
Napakainit.
Barbecuing since 1994. Yay! Thank you so much. Got drinks here.
Kuha mo ko.
Ay, teka lang. Okay na, out. Look at this super delicious barbecue. Pili pa yung bubuksan. Look at that ribs.
Para mas malaki sa'yo.
Ban tayo? There's not much people already because it starts at 10 today and it's already 2:30, so there's not much people, but this is okay. Got the super food. This is my favorite barbecue here on Guam. The best Jamaican grill. What's on? There's some inflatable playground there. That's where I get the food. Sarap, oh. This style breathing down. Awesome view. Thank you. Really serious food, Yamon. This is the most delicious barbecue.
Yan ang girl na. Oras na ba? Wala mo. Tayo uli oh.
We are the last year. Don't forget to subscribe, people. Super Senior. Peace and love, Yamon.
Today, Jamaican Grill celebrated 30 years of business. It's our 30-year birthday today. Our first day of business was December 8th, 1994.
Wow.
Here it is.
Yeah.
December 8th, 2024. That is 30 years. 30. So we celebrated today, and we had a big party for Guam and the community. And we gave out 1,030 plates, but then we gave out more. 1,200
All right, folks, once again, ladies and gentlemen, thank you for having us here.
So thank you, Guam.
And congratulations, Jamaican Grill, for your 30th year here in the island of Guam.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for today's musical station.
Subscribe to my channel, Super Senior. Say Super Senior.
Super Senior!
We're playing at least another song here. And we'll call it a day. Once again, folks.
Bye-bye.